Okay guys, here we are. Quick little video. Working on the motor for the black 91 Fox body. Black coupe. It's got a 408 Windsor in it right now, TKO 600. The car's a 19,000 mile original body. That's the only thing original on the car. That and the interior, but it's, you know, it's a black interior car, nice car. 373 gear, Cobra rear brakes, PBR calipers in the front. It's too nice to be a 408 Windsor car that I hardly ever drive. So, what we're gonna do, the guys over at Performance Machine over in Thorndale, Texas, I took them a truck roller block that I bought off of, I can't remember. Wasn't Facebook Marketplace, it was one of the other ones. Anyway, I bought the thing for $100. It was hydro-locked, it broke a piston. When I tore it down, had a little scarring in one of the cylinders. Took it over there. I had a set of Summit Racing Hyper Eutectic 30 over pistons. Took them the pistons, rods, had to put ARP bolts in them, resize them. They bored the block for me, cleaned up the cylinders, done an outstanding job. Right now it's sitting here, got a camshaft from a buddy of mine, it's E-Cam. It's got that Chloe's or whatever it is, Clotes, double roller timing chain. Bought it at the local parts house, O'Reilly down here in Rockdale. Bought it there. It's set, the used lifters that was in it, the dog bones, all that stuff. It's all used, the lifters, and all that stuff was used. Wasn't in this truck motor. This truck motor was a regular hydraulic camshaft. It didn't have a roller. It is a roller block. So, just scavenged some parts I used to have. Used lifters in it. They were all good. Checked them all. E-cam shaft was used. Got it from a buddy of mine, Dave Yannick. He's another Mustang guy here locally. I had a set of Explorer GT40Ps. Took those to Performance Machine. Had those guys clean them up. Alex Springs. Got with Rodney and Pirate and David and those guys down there in Florida. Said, hey man, y'all use this trick flow kit? What do y'all use? Man, they said, man, call Alex Springs. So called him up. He sent me a kit. I took that to Performance Machine in Thorndale. The guys over there, they build all kind of motors, but the owner is a Ford guy. He said, best kit he's ever seen. Came with all the shims, came with the seals, the springs, retainers, everything fit, everything's perfect. So that's what's going on it. When I talked to Alex, I told him, hey, it's gonna probably be an E-cam or B-cam. It ain't gonna be nothing real radical. So that's what we're doing. Putting this thing together. Y'all be seeing us putting the cylinder heads on it. Got a set of gaskets, got some stock valve covers. I have a Cobra intake with an Explorer lower. We're gonna use that. Stock Fox body pan, pickup, oil pump, all that stuff. So, we'll show you a little bit close-ups of some of the stuff. Give you a snapshot of the car. I think I've got some videos I can kind of clip in. It's sitting right here beside us, but it's filthy. So I'll show you some of it's cleaned up. It's a black on black, original black on black car. I've got the passenger seat unbolted because there's the business down there. Like I said, it's dirty, it needs cleaning. But it's a very nice car. This is from when we buffed it. I need to clean that all off, but doors close good, car runs good. It's got a stock tank. It's got a Hellcat pump on a stock hanger with the larger inlet and outlet. It's got dash 10 to the front, PTFE. I think it's dash 6 or dash 8 to the back, return. Air motive regulator. It's got trick flow fuel rails, Cervini hood, sitting on drag lights, drag radials on the back. All right, guys, here it is running. Like I said, it's a 408 Windsor. It's got a probe Dominator rotating assembly in it. It's filthy. I've just been letting it sit in the shop. It's been sitting outside a little bit too, so there's that. The last few days anyway. It's got AFR205s on it, trick flow, polished upper, natural lower. The cam is the XFI 236 HR that was actually made for the Stroker 347. TKO 600 aluminum flywheel. It's got crane gold roller rockers on it, 7/16. It's a 94 roller block, Ford block. Not much more I can tell you. Motor made 470 to the ground and 570 foot-pounds of torque. That wasn't in this car, it was in a black hatch. So this motor was built in 07. It was tuned on a regular chip with a stock air pipe on this motor in a hatch. So when I bought the car, my buddy had bought the hatch, put it in his black coupe. I bought the coupe from him. I ended up taking the stock EFI off, computer harness, and it's got a Holley Dominator on it, EFI. It's underneath the driver's seat. I'll show you a picture of that here in a minute. Cold started it. It's sitting here. I just fired it up, moved it out of the shop. Going to try to clean it up late this evening. 373 8.8 31 spline, C-clip eliminator kit, disc brakes all the way around, Cobra rear, just regular GT dual piston calipers on the front. Like I said, this car has got, I think, 19,000 original miles, so y'all stay tuned for the next clip. Give you a look at the cylinder heads, the block, all that, a little close up. Stand by for the next clip. Just kind of give you a feel for what we got going. Like I said, parts house, double roller timing chain, E-cam, dog bones are in. There's the pistons and the part number. They're 30 over. Cylinder heads. Let me get a little flashlight action here. Y'all stand by just a second. All right. You can see the cylinder heads, spring kit, you know, stock, stock, everything's stock. Nothing's new. They cleaned them up for me. Them guys at Performance Machine do a great job. The block, he painted brass freeze plugs. He put brass freeze plugs in my heads. As you can see, you know, stock exhaust ports, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. This ain't gonna be a race car. It probably will go to the track, but not for trying to run, you know, if it'll run 770, I'm happy. Okay, just want to show y'all the bottom of a GT40P head. You know, the guy's over there, he decked it for me, you know. I'm a Ford guy, he's a Ford guy, he takes care of me. That's the P, GT40P head. You know, I guess that's the P. It's got some GT40 logos on it somewhere, but as you can see, 4-bar P head. So that's what we're working with. Y'all stand by for the next clip. All right, guys. In normal substandard fashion, we're gonna wrap this little video up. When we go to put the motor together, I will get some videos of the head gaskets we use, the valve cover gaskets we're using. Just want to give you a little intro to the car. Like I said, car runs really good. I just don't ever drive it because the 408 that's in there, it's not a parade car. That thing runs really good. Anything above 45 miles an hour and in fourth gear. Down low, all it's thinking about is getting to above 45 miles an hour and getting to third or fourth gear. You can't put it in low gear and let it crawl along in a parade. That ain't happening. So we're going this way. Don't worry, that 408 that's in that car, I've got another car. You guys that have been following some of my videos probably know I'm car poor. I've got a car. Jay Baker built me a car. Right now, it's got one of those distributorless motors in it. I haven't ran it at the track yet, but that 408 is going to get freshened up and go in that car. So there's that. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. We video all kind of stuff. You know, we did a little rod run, Cool Cats run here a week or so ago. Had a blast trying to get this black car ready. Next year, my wife wants to go. She'll be retired. So she wants to drive the police car, and I want to drive the black car. Well, can't drive the black car with a 408 when you go on 15 miles an hour in parade format. So this motor will be in it. That'll fix that. We're going to put some AC back on it. Y'all get to see that little outfit. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.